Are you not getting the performance of your laptop or PC like before? After using your computer for a long time, it becomes slow. But there is no reason to worry. Today I will share with you 5 tips through which your laptop will become like new again. Number 1. Press Windows R. Then type %temp% and click OK. Here you can see a lot of files. These are temporary files that are taking up a lot of space on your PC. Now press Ctrl A to select all files. Then press Shift+Delete to remove all those unnecessary files. This way, your laptop or PC will work much faster than before. Number 2. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC. This will take you to Task Manager. On the left-hand side, click on Startup Apps. Here you can see all the types of apps that are on your computer. Here in Startup Impact, you can see which apps are having more impact on your PC. From here, you can disable all unnecessary apps. This will give your laptop much better performance than before, which you got it in new condition. Number 3. Right-click inside the Windows logo below, then go inside the Power options. Here you will see an option called Power Mode. Here, select the Best Performance option. This will increase the performance of your PC a lot. Number 4. First go to the Setting option of your laptop or computer. Then search for Storage Sense. Now make sure it is on. This will automatically delete the temporary files of your PC. As a result, your PC will run smoothly. Number 5. Go down to your Start menu and then search for Adjust Appearance and Performance. Here you will get a few options. Here you select the Adjust for Best Performance option. This will turn off almost all your animations and effects. As a result, your PC will become faster. If you want to get such tips and tricks related videos, subscribe to the channel and like it. Thanks for watching.